Hello, it's Winston here from Coveya, and today we're going to be looking at two Easikit heavy-duty flatbed conveyors. To start off, we have an Easikit 1500mm wide belt conveyor that will be loaded with heavy plastic items from an injection moulding machine. This conveyor has been bespoke designed with angled side guides that will allow the items to fall onto the belt from height. This curved section has been designed to provide a seamless 90-degree transfer without the need for a mechanical belt bend. The transfer rollers shown here allow the product to be smoothly transferred from one belt to the other. This 1200mm wide belt conveyor is designed for processing items at a safe working height for operators. Both conveyors can be operated from one single control point, and e-stop grab wires will run the full length of the system. These conveyors are installed with heavy-duty swivel locking casters to allow them to be moved around easily and then removed for maintenance purposes. If you have any requirements for moving materials with belt conveyors, please do feel free to contact the team at Coveya. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.